Do drones have license plates? Short answer, yes. Long answer, kind of. See, when drones first took off, there was no way to tell who was flying what. No tags, no accountability, just buzzing sky robots. So, governments did what governments do best. They invented Drone ID, a digital license plate for drones. It's basically a digital name tag. Each drone is supposed to broadcast its unique ID, location, altitude, speed, and even where the pilot is using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's like a little radio beacon saying, hey, I'm a law-abiding drone. But here's the problem. Drone ID only works for the rule followers. The drones that cause real trouble, they don't have IDs. Drone ID only shows drones that want to be seen. The ones used in smuggling, espionage or war, they don't broadcast anything. No ID, no signal, no trace. So a drone ID based detection system can give you a false sense of security. Your radar says the sky is clear, but the real threat might already be above you. To make matters worse, some vendors leverage drone ID detection to bypass RFIs and tenders. It may check the right boxes during trials and demos, but those are staged environments. Such superficial compliance becomes a dangerous compromise. Imagine a war zone. Your system, if it relies on drone ID alone, sees nothing, and then boom. Even worse, attackers can spoof drone ID signals, sending out hundreds of fake drones to confuse defenses. Real targets vanish in a sea of false alarms. That's not defense, that's deception. A real counter-drone system can't rely on drone ID alone. It needs 3 layers working together. RFML or radio frequency machine learning, DSP or digital signal processing, and drone ID as a helper, not a hero. RFML detects control signals and video feeds. It uses AI to classify drone types based on RF fingerprinting, and it identifies anomalous signals like frequency hopping. DSP, on the other hand, analyzes the RF spectrum in real time. It also enables direction finding and triangulation to locate drone operators. DSP also works against jamming and spoofing attempts, providing resilience in contested environments. Together, they see everything: friendly, hostile, commercial, or custom-built. Why this matters in drone defense is because drone ID isn't a detection system, it's airspace etiquette. Good for peace, dangerous for war. And this is the kind of problems we obsess over at Armory. Because if you're going to defend the skies, you better know exactly what's in them.